This conference will now be recorded.
Hey guys, this is Naveen here. Welcome back to Naveen Automation Labs. So guys, this video is about how exactly you can prepare your Selenium and automation training or the learning from this particular channel, from my channel, Naveen Automation Labs. Because some people they are asking because now we have around 220 videos from where to start and how to start, which series we have to cover first, what is the sequence. So I think some people are getting confused. So I thought that okay, I have to create some a proper playlist. So I have maintained almost everything in the form of playlist, and you just need to follow the following instruction that I'm going to cover, right? So that you can prepare well and step by step you can follow. It's not like okay, today you are watching some video one, tomorrow you are watching some video 15, day after tomorrow you are watching some other video. It's not like that, because if you really want to learn Selenium and some other automation tools, it's really important to follow the sequence. So my background is totally from the programming, so I always believe in programming. So I would advise you guys, please follow. First thing is core Java tutorials. So you can note down, this is the core Java tutorials for beginners by Naveen Automation Labs. Around 32 videos are there. So if you click on it, you will see there are around 32 videos are there in this particular playlist. So I created this playlist around 1 year back. I started this, and then if you go to this particular playlist, so all these step by step is there. We have started from the very beginning. What are different data types in Java, and advanced questions in Java only. In fact, some basic programming questions and other Java interview questions also I have included. But first, I have covered all the core Java basic concepts from basic to advanced. Right. So this is the first thing that you have to do that. So please cover your core Java tutorial. So let me create a list for you guys. I'll do one thing. Let me create a notepad, or maybe, yeah, 1 minute. Yeah. So first thing, guys, what you have to do, you have to cover core Java. Okay, core Java tutorials. So once you're done with core Java, right, go back to the playlist. You have to start your Selenium training. So on Selenium, there are around 74 videos I have prepared, but at least you can watch initial 40-50 videos you have to watch. So if you go to this particular playlist, Selenium 3 WebDriver tutorials by Naveen, so you have to start from the first session, and I have maintained the sequence properly, and then it will really help you to learn Selenium from the beginning. And all the advanced topic, basic core Java, I mean core Selenium topics I have covered. After that, some advanced topics along with some interesting tutorials like what is WebDriver architecture. It's really important to know what is a stale element exception, what is HTML DOM, and then I have covered basics of TestNG also with Selenium. And then I started with page object model, and slowly I have moved to some basic interview questions and all such stuff I have covered over here. So there are around 74 videos are there, right? So start with from the beginning, because if you, let's see, if you don't know what is how to select a drop down, or how to handle the actions classes, or how to handle the user actions with the help of actions classes, what are different browser handlings are there, then you won't be able to understand some other advanced topics, right? So don't do this mistake. Learn first Java and then cover with this thing that is called the this playlist. The second playlist is Selenium 3 WebDriver tutorials. So first playlist is what? So let me write the, just a minute. Let me open this core Java tutorials by Naveen. Okay. So let me copy this. So I'll write down everything inside the description also. So this is the first thing you have to cover. Second thing, guys, you have to cover the Selenium part. For Selenium also, let me quickly write down so that you will understand it properly. So this is a second thing, guys, you have to cover. You have to immediately after that Selenium you have to start. Now the third thing is that go back to this. Once your all your Selenium tutorials are done, immediately you have to start with your TestNG sessions. So TestNG sessions are there. There are around 8 to 9 videos are there. So learn about TestNG, what are different features of TestNG, how to implement, and other special features of TestNG I have covered. So you have to learn TestNG after Selenium. Okay, TestNG is a TDD framework. You have to know what is TestNG. So this is at the third number. Fourth number, immediately after that, guys, there are around 11 videos are there on page object model. So page object model with hybrid approach, this is like very important thing that you need to know. Don't start page object model directly, otherwise you won't understand how exactly I'm using TestNG, how exactly I'm using Java concept, what is the syntax of, okay, the basic things in Java, right? All these things you have to cover, because a lot of Selenium concepts, if I ask you what is a return type of find elements, in that case we have to use list of web elements. So all those things we have already covered, how to take screenshot, right? So these things we have covered in Selenium topics, and then we have to cover TestNG, and then you have to come with the page object model. So I'm writing page object model with this series, hybrid framework with page object model. Once you are done with this, okay, page object model is also done, then you cover this thing, Selenium Grid. Just have a look. I have only 2 videos, but these 2 videos are more than enough for you guys, right? So Selenium Grid tutorials you can check after that once your framework part is also done. Okay, so this is your Selenium Grid part. After that, what you have to do, that you have to start your Cucumber training. Okay, but before Cucumber, guys, one more advice I would tell you, that please watch this series, at least first 2 videos on this. Okay, first 2 videos, like how to become genius in XPath tutorials, because this is like really important. So XPath tutorials you have to cover, and let me copy this thing also, to become genius in XPath. So this is what you have to cover. That thing you can cover in fact after second topic, right? So I would say this is at the third number, and this is the fourth number, this is at fifth number, this is at sixth number, and now the seventh number is this. Seventh number is that after XPath, what you have to do immediately, you have to start your Cucumber training, because you have already learned about Selenium, page object model, TestNG, and you are really good in Selenium part. Core Java also we have covered. Now start with Cucumber training. This is like really important to know what is BDD framework, right? Cucumber with Java BDD framework. I have covered around 8 videos are there. That is more than enough for you, okay, to design the initial level of framework. So this is at the seventh number. Once your Cucumber training is done, I'm pretty much sure that okay, I'm pretty much sure you will become an expert, okay, in Selenium. After that, some small topics I'll tell you, that immediately after that you can learn about, okay, Maven project. So what do you mean by Maven? How to create a Maven project? What is the life cycle of Maven? Different plugins, what is page object model, create the Maven project, and all those things you can cover. And then you have to learn about your GitHub repository, how to configure your GitHub and everything. Only 2 videos are there. That is more than enough for you guys. So learn about what is GitHub, basic commands like push and pull, checkout, check-in, all those things I have covered over here. So how to create a clone, how to push the repository, right? Like this. Once this is done, what you have to do. So now this Selenium with Java combination is almost done, right? After that, if you really want to learn some interesting stuff, let's say you want to learn about Protractor, you can start your Protractor training. Okay, so Protractor I have covered, although I'll be preparing more videos on Protractor later, although I have covered only 4 basic videos. But if you really want to learn Protractor, you can learn, right? So these are the 10 different playlists, guys, you have to play initially, right? After that, if yeah, that is more than enough for you. After that, I have covered some basic things. Let's see, Java interview questions, if you really want to cover. So Java interview questions, you can have a look around, yeah, some more than, yeah, 18 videos are there. So initial, these 8 to 10 videos are really important. You should know that what is a memory management, singleton design pattern, Okay, can we overload a main method? Why strings are immutable, sorry. Interface and abstract classes, finally, all those basic Java questions. Around 18 videos I have covered. In fact, I recently started this basic programming question series. Also, I'm pending all these videos over here as well. So please cover this playlist, Java interview questions and the programming questions. This playlist is very important before going for any kind of interview. So once you are done with this, you can check. But this Java interview question, in fact, you can start immediately after your. I would advise you should start maybe parallel. You can start after first session. I mean first series also. Once you are done with the core Java programming questions, then you can start with this. Okay. So, but some of the interview questions, some of the videos are available in this particular series. I have already included in this particular series as well. So once you completed this series, most of the videos are already covered over here. Right. So you will get a lot of confidence once you cover this first Java series. Right. After that, this is the Java part. Now I'm pretty much sure after these 10 or 11 series, you will become an expert. Now, if you really want to learn about APIs, so now you know Java, you know how to design the basic level of framework. At least you know how to design the, the architecture and the framework and all those things. And later on, you can start your REST API automation. That is REST API automation. I have covered around 7 videos. I have covered, but there are more than 20-25 videos are there on my Vimeo portal. So if you really want to learn, after that you can purchase those videos. It's only $55. REST API and web services automation framework over there. I have uploaded. I'll provide you that URL also over there. Okay, in the description you will find the Vimeo link for the REST API automation. Once this is done, I think most of the things we have covered, and other things like some miscellaneous topics if you really want to cover that, what is system design, how to prepare system design basic questions and all those things also you can cover, right? And then if you really want to learn about some other miscellaneous topics like what is Zira, what is basic manual testing, and I have covered some switch your career from manual to automation, how to become an automation architect or automation team lead, or pros and cons of Selenium WebDriver. These kind of questions, some generic topics I have covered, right? Although I haven't created any playlist for generic topics, but you can have a look. Let's see. In fact, initially I was covering some, uh, what is DevOps, what is machine learning, some basic stuff like what is web service, right? How exactly Amazon and some typical e-commerce company they work. Okay, like that. How does Amazon e-commerce company work internally? All these things, basic things I have covered over here, so you can have a look as well. And once everything is done, guys, I would advise you to cover one more thing. This is this, yeah, all my live sessions. Okay, for Selenium and automation interview preparations. There are around 16, 17 live, around in fact 20 live sessions are there. So I'll add some more live sessions in this particular playlist. So please cover this Selenium and automation interview preparation and doubt clearing session with Naveen. So once everything is done, I would advise you that at this 12th level, you can cover this thing. Sorry, not 12th level, at 13th. Okay. So side by side also you can watch this. So there are a lot of interview questions and different concepts and advice and preparation on, okay, how to prepare your resume and all those things I have covered over there. So please have a look, okay, on these live sessions as well of me. Okay, so I think that is pretty much enough. Later on, when I'll upload some other series, let's see, Python series. Python, guys, as of now, only 2 videos are there. So as of now, if you really want to start with Python, you can start. Very soon, I'm going to start with Python series as well as APM with Java. I'm going to start. So you will be getting the notification very soon. But I would advise you at least please go through this entire playlist, okay, in a sequencing way. Don't start with in between that, okay, yeah, today I'll learn page object model in next 2 days, in 3 days, and then my Java concepts are very poor, but Selenium concepts are also very poor, but I can learn page object model. No, this is not the right way of learning Selenium. Okay, it will take around 1 month, maybe 2 months. It's okay. And then guys, go for interview. Once you cover at least top 10 or top 9, 10 series, all these interview video series, I'm pretty much sure that okay, you will definitely crack the interviews, right? So please don't jump in between. Please start from the basic. And my favorite part is this core Java and the programming questions, guys. This is like very, very important. I really don't like people who are really poor in programming and they directly jump into Selenium. So please cover your Selenium before Selenium. Please cover your Java, okay, concepts, and then get the confidence in Java. And I'm pretty much sure. I'm giving you guarantee. I'm giving you a surety. After that, you will become expert in Selenium. You can design any kind of framework easily. You can learn any framework as well, any existing framework also. Let's say tomorrow you're joining a new company, easily you can learn those frameworks as well, because easily you will be able to debug, because you know Java, your Java concepts are really good. So in that case, it will be very easy for you to learn new things, or the existing concepts also easily you can grab, right? Otherwise you will always be confused that okay, why this guy is using this particular function, what is array list, why this guy is using array, what is for loop, what is inheritance, what is abstraction, what is encapsulation, you okay, how exactly they are using a exception handling and all those things. Because you are really poor in Java, then you cannot understand those things, right? So guys, that's my personal advice. Please, please, please. And tomorrow, let's see some more tools you want to learn based on Java or based on any programming language. So these Java topics or the programming mindset will really, really help you to become a pure software development engineer in testing. That is called SDET, or automation expert, or automation specialist, or automation architecture in future, right? Okay. Cool. So that's all for this particular video. I personally thought, yes, I think now this is right time, because now I have more than 200 videos in my on my channel. So this is the very right time to guide you that from where to start and how to start. Cool. Thank you so much. I'll give this particular playlist sequence in the description. Please watch this and just copy paste and then start from today onwards. Okay. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, guys. Share this channel with your friends and colleagues if they really want to learn automation. A lot of new things, a lot of new videos are coming in 2019. I'm pretty much sure that okay, you will become expert in Selenium and automation. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this